Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed quick access to cash but couldn't find an ATM? Or maybe you've been frustrated by the fees associated with traditional banking. If so, you've probably heard of Monzo, the innovative digital bank that's revolutionizing the way we manage our finances. But one question that often comes up is, how do you actually put money into a Monzo account? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Monzo, before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand what Monzo is. It's a mobile banking app that offers a variety of features, including the ability to send and receive money instantly, set budgets, and track your spending. One of its biggest advantages is that it doesn't have any physical branches, which means you can manage your money from anywhere, anytime. Method 1. Bank transfer. The most common way to add money to your Monzo account is through a bank transfer. This is simple and straightforward, and you can usually do it within a few minutes. Here's how it works. Find your Monzo account details, open your Monzo app and go to the Account tab. You'll find your sort code and account number there. Initiate a transfer, log into your online banking or mobile app for your existing bank. Enter Monzo's details, input the Monzo sort code and account number that you found earlier. Specify the amount, decide how much money you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer, review the details, and confirm the transaction. Method 2. Cash deposits. While Monzo doesn't have physical branches, you can still deposit cash into your account using a partner ATM. These ATMs are usually located in convenience stores or shopping centers. Here's how it works. Find a partner ATM, use Monzo's app or website to locate a nearby partner ATM. Deposit cash. Insert your Monzo card into the ATM and select the cash deposit option. Follow the on-screen instructions to deposit your money. Method 3. Cardless cash deposits. Monzo also offers a feature called cardless cash deposits. This allows you to generate a unique code that you can give to someone who wants to deposit cash into your account. Here's how it works. Generate a code, open your Monzo app and go to the cardless cash section. Generate a unique code. Give the code to someone, share the code with the person who wants to deposit cash. Deposit cash. The person can then go to a partner ATM and use the code to deposit cash into your account. Additional tips. Check transfer times. The time it takes for a transfer to complete can vary depending on your banks and the time of day. Avoid fees. Some banks may charge fees for transfers, so it's worth checking with them beforehand. Use Monzo's budgeting tools. Once you've added money to your account, you can use Monzo's budgeting tools to track your spending and set financial goals. Conclusion. As you can see, adding money to your Monzo account is a simple and convenient process. Whether you're using a bank transfer, cash deposits, or cardless cash deposits, you can easily top up your balance and start enjoying the benefits of Monzo's digital banking services. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.